Good morning this Wednesday, the 23rd of July. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mostly higher on Tuesday, with the S&P 500 resetting its record high as the major average rose 0.06%, while the Dow Jones climbed 0.4% and the Nasdaq fell 0.4%. Investors continued shifting focus from trade war developments to robust earnings results in the US overnight, hence the S&P 500 resetting its record high. In Europe, overnight markets closed lower for a third day as investors digested earnings results from some of the largest companies in the region. The STOXX 600 fell 0.5%, Germany's DAX lost 1.2%, the French CAC declined 0.7%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day flat. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, markets closed mixed again, with Japan's Nikkei falling 0.11%, while China's CSI index added 0.82%, Hong Kong's Seng gained 0.54%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day down a sharp 1.27%. Shares in SoftBank Group surged 6% after reports emerged that the Japanese investment firm is set to build a small data center by the end of the year, expanding into the data center and AI space. Locally on Tuesday, the ASX 200 started the day with a strong rally before easing in afternoon trade to end the day up just 0.1%. And that was after the RBA meeting minutes were released, the latest ones that is, outlining the cautious approach to rate cuts taken by the RBA as they want to see quarterly inflation reading before making any moves, especially amid the volatility of tariffs right now. Ramelius Resources soared almost 8% on Tuesday in its biggest one-day rise in 15 weeks on the rallying gold spot price, and after the Supreme Court of WA approved the company's $2.4 billion acquisition and merger of Spartan Resources. Investors continued selling out of the big banks again yesterday amid stretched valuations. CBA fell 3.1%, while NAB, Westpac and ANZ lost 2.7%, 1.3% and 0.8% respectively. The most traded investments by Bell Direct clients yesterday were led by BHP, Vanguard Australian Shares Index ETF and CSL. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.78% lower at $65 and 44 cents a barrel. Gold is up 0.87% at $3,425 per ounce, and iron ore is up 0.64% at $97 and 84 cents a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 65.57 US cents and 96.13 Japanese yen, 48.29 British pence and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.45%, and that's tracking Wall Street's majority rally overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter's increased the 12-month price target on Frontier Digital Ventures to 63 cents per share from 54 cents per share, and maintain a speculative buy rating on the online marketplace-focused investment company. The analyst sees there are multiple potential catalysts for a potential share price re-rating, including improving macro backdrop for emerging market investment, positive growth forecasts for FDV, and potential portfolio monetization and price discovery events to unlock shareholder value. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Perseus Mining, and that's following the formation of a pattern over a period of just 6 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $3.67 to the range of $3.89 to $3.95, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Wednesday morning. Have a wonderful Wednesday and happy investing.